What you see here is the brand new Aprilia RS 457. Now, this motorcycle has just made its India debut ahead of India. It is going to be sold in the country later this year, but it's also going to be made right here in India. So let's see what's on offer with this motorcycle and what all can you expect from this brand new Aprilia Super Sport. The first thing that draws you towards the RS 457 is of course its design, and I think it looks spectacular and stunning from all angles. As you can see, it is inspired by bigger Aprilias like the RS 660 and the RS V4, which is the original liter class bike from the company. And as you can see, the proportions are spot on. It doesn't look like a temporary work. It doesn't look like they've cut corners in every sense. So for me, I think this is going to be the biggest USP of the RS 457. The quality is also brilliant. It looks like a proper Aprilia. Everything you touch and feel, it looks brilliant. Of course, these are pre-production motorcycles, but then what we are seeing here, it is top quality. The other thing is the paint options. As you can see, this one gets the MotoGP inspired colors like the RSGP you have. So it looks brilliant in this red and black shade, and this is matte finish. So I think again, going back to the quality, it is brilliant. It is top notch.